That's right. Oh my God.
Alright guys, so we've now got off the bikes. Excuse us for the hair, but got Alex's GT-R here real quick. So they're gonna kind of take a look at the RS7 real quick, and then we'll show you guys. It is Nardo gray, so sick, already has some wheels. And if you guys missed the previous video of Alex's GT-R, we compared it to my GT-R, which was a heck of a lot of fun. But there is a quick look at it. That is so sick, I cannot wait to check it out. So this car has like a stage 1 or stage 2 tune. It's got a few parts on it. That is nasty. That is like so sick. You guys probably can't hear me right now. Oh my gosh, that sounds so cool. Alright, just cool down a little bit. Wow, that is sounding good. But this thing's got some carbon fiber on it. We've got the Quattro written out and then all carbon fiber up in the front. And then some blacked out items all throughout of it. Comment down below, what do you guys think of an RS7? It's a 2018 model year. It's got a few little goodies under it.
Yeah.
That is so sick. And coming our way to the rear, it's got the power spoiler, carbon fiber, and blacked out exhaust. Yeah, that is a really, really sweet spec. That is the color to get for one of these, absolutely. All right, let's hop in. I have never actually even been in one of these cars, but ooh, this is sweet in here.
They're really nice.
Yeah. And guys, here's Alex. You guys saw him on the previous video, but look at that stitching and everything.
Look at all the carbon.
Yeah, this is all like on the other cars. It's just lines. This one is all carbon.
Let's turn this down.
You gotta press.
So many buttons.
I know. You gotta press once and you gotta press all the way down.
See. Oh my. Okay. This is.
That has to be aftermarket.
Oh yeah.
I don't know.
Downpipes will do that, or you think it's more than that?
I don't know. That is
I don't know if
sick.
the stock RS7 sounds like that.
No. Yo, I lost traction. I lost traction.
Do you hear the turbo like spooling?
Oh yeah.
Oh my god.
There's so much potential with this kind of car.
Yeah. Wow. And way more comfortable than the GT-R.
Yeah, this is like a couch
Way
back
more
here.
comfortable.
That is
What'd you
so
say it was?
sick. So it's like a couch back here, but going super fast.
Okay, that's got it.
That pulls very
Hard. Third
Wow.
gear. The whole car
Dude.
leans back.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. No acceleration.
Man, I have to rethink a family sedan.
I told you, I don't think you're gonna go back to a Trackhawk. I don't care what you say.
I don't know.
Well, guys, welcome to the first test drive in a backseat of a car. I don't think we've ever done that.
Ride along.
Right?
Yeah.
And the maniac driver.
So, guys, this car is gonna be replacing the. It was a Trackhawk.
Yes. Yeah.
So Trackhawk to Audi.
Man, it almost sounds the same in a
Seriously.
sense.
It has a lot of that same. Yeah. It's got that muscle V8, which is pretty sick.
Man, I wish the R8 popped like that. Like, that's what I miss.
Yeah.
You can hear the turbos too.
That is so crazy.
Oh
Are you sure
man.
this car isn't for you?
You're so-
She's getting too high.
You're so gonna get called out when we go racing.
Oh.
Just before you go home, you'll see.
So this is the family car then, right?
Yeah. It's gonna be car seats by the end of the day in this thing.
Nice. And if you guys looked closely, I don't know if you saw in my video, but he's got a car seat in the GT-R.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
is it coming out of the GT-R then, staying in
No,
here?
that one's we specifically bought it for the GT-R. That stays in there.
Nice.
Let's see what third.
Wow. All right, guys, I think that test drive solidified it. I believe it's paperwork time now, but yeah, comment down below. What do you guys think of the RS7? That is Wow. So Alex, first impression after first drive?
I'm smiling.
Is that?
I'm smiling. Oh, that's. Oh, wow.
Are you sold?
Oh, absolutely. Absolutely. I don't. It's got to be considered a supercar at some
Yeah,
point, right?
that's
Like
insane.
Or something.
It's like a GT-R with 4 doors.
Right.
Like.
Oh, absolutely. And sounds way better too.
Wow. Like I've never smiled this much in a sedan or a hatchback. What do you want to call it? Oh man, so freaking awesome. Alright, so they are doing the paperwork and then they're getting this thing detailed and gassed up. This car has 700 wheel horsepower, I'm not even kidding you. And crazy enough, our friends over at SOHO Motorsports, who have done a lot of stuff with the Nissans and the Supras, obviously you guys have seen them on our channel quite a bit, they actually tuned this car. And it has a downpipe, a midpipe, the intakes, and then the tune, 700 wheel. Yeah, not a bad wife mobile, or mom wagon, I guess, at this point.
Yeah.
I love that. Alright guys, so they have finished up with all the paperwork. We're back with Alex, so RS7, pretty sick to be in the garage.
Oh my God, that's insane.
And this is your wife's car, which she's right over there. That is her new car, which she's pretty pumped about.
That is insane. I mean, I didn't think that would ever compare, but I mean, this blows that out of the water right now.
Because these, I mean, even full bolt-ons is like 600, this is already at 700.
Yep.
So, holy crap, GT-R killer. Probably the coolest wife mobile right there. Alright guys, so in a weird sequence of events, I am chauffeuring the owners of the car in your new car. Never done this.
Oh my God.
Now, what are the rules for flooring it?
Floor it.
Go.
Don't stop till you can't go no more.
Both of that?
Oh yeah.
The wife even said I could. So we're good.
Full send.
You guys heard that full send.
That's right.
Wow, though. Already, that's insane.
Oh my gosh. Sounds so good. Yeah, the kids will be sleeping.
Yeah.
They hate the Tahoe, the rental Tahoe, because it makes no noise. Like the baby cries. And Trackhawk, she was fine. This is perfect. Makes all the right noises.
Starting them off young.
That's right. Oh my God. My head has nowhere to go. It's like sideways trying.
And that was like quarter throttle, by the way. Just
that's
not even half.
Oh, that's
my God.
Oh, I'm so jealous.
whoa.
Oh my God.
There's like no body roll.
I know.
Not
That's
at all.
Completely planted.
dude.
Wow.
Well, you're gonna have a lot of fun going from point A to point B.
Jesus.
And those brakes, my goodness.
So there's a red 2019 GT-R for sale, in case anybody's wondering.
Oh my gosh.
My head has nowhere to go.
Wow. I can feel me like going into the cushioning of the seat. Like,
Right?
wow. Dang. Well, we will have to say a big thank you to both of you guys for not only
absolutely, man.
inviting us down for a collection day, but even letting us drive you around in your new car.
Yeah.
Like, comment down below, guys. Give them a thank you and go to check out his channel and tell him thank you for letting us do this.
What fun is it if you can't share it?
I know, this is, dude, this is my dad car when the time comes. Like,
Nice.
I know, right? This is where it's at.
Oh my God.
That wasn't even half throttle.
I know.
Like I'm not even doing anything crazy. That was third gear. Man, I've driven stock RS7s before. But,
Yeah, and those are brand new at dealers where you can't floor them.
yeah, that's
Right.
like 5 miles on it.
Yeah, I love like so much solid sound.
Yes. Oh my God.
I mean, that's like GT-R. Like,
Yes.
like,
Yeah.
seriously.
Absolutely, but more comfortable.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
Wow.
Yeah, I know. Just cruising now, like
Yeah.
it's just a normal car.
Yeah, you can't even hear it.
Yeah.
You cannot
Yeah.
hear it.
That's crazy.
I think you've driven it the least amount out of everyone in this
Yeah.
car. She drove 30 feet from the dealership.
It was
Yeah.
fun.
That's just
That
grip.
is sick.
How is that a like?
That's just grip.
Like
Like
21-inch wheels too.
Yeah. This is like a family sedan. Like
Wow.
sports car stuff. All right, so we just came back from our first little test drive. Once again, shout out to them for letting us drive it, but it is now in the off-road mode. This has an adaptive suspension. You can actually raise it all up or lower it. So that is super cool. But we're about ready to say goodbye, unfortunately, and we'll ride the bikes next to them and maybe get a little pull with a GT-R and the RS7 just to see.
Absolutely.
And then I wrap it up there. But once again, shout out to Alex for letting us join for the day and letting us drive the car. Thank you for letting us drive it more than you have already. But check out his channel, Let's See, check him out. I'll have that link down below with his video as well from his own collection day. But now let's hop on the R6 and CBR and see what these two things can do. Alright guys, so we are now heading home. We got the RS7 and the GT-R, and they might do a quick little pull. I think the Audi just barely is pulling ahead. But that is it for them. They're gonna head back to Asheville, heading home. I got my own way to go home. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give it a huge thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you guys next video.